garden. This is about 11 and I'm just sipping on my ginger tea, and we are going to head out to a cafe called Dubua Cafe. It's a really lovely place and I am really looking forward to taking you guys with me. And I haven't been there for about 3 months already, but it's an open field kind of cafe with a lot of farm animals, and like they'll sell plants, and I'm really looking to maybe grab a few pots of plants. They have like cute little cafes inside that kind of big farm. So yeah, after I am done with my ginger tea, I'm gonna pack up my bag and we're gonna head out. I am also gonna be cooking. Right now I'm gonna be making fried rice. We're gonna have it in the car. It's just gonna be some grilled chicken fried rice.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
So we reached the Lotus fields at about 2 p.m. The weather was excellent. It was not too hot, otherwise it gets really hot in Bangkok. But today it was great and we just enjoyed the outdoors. Ice cream? So cute. Oh my god. Okay, let's rest for a bit and have our ice cream here.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
Nadia's favorite dessert in the world is macaroons, so we're gonna go grab her some macaroons from the coffee shop.
Blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now, and it could fade away.
Macaroon hunting. I think they have it. See? They have it right here. Okay, go in.
But I'm gonna die.
Wow! What colors do you want? Blue? Okay, let's get you a blue macaroon.
I want you to open it.
Okay. Did you drink even a glass of water today?
Yes.
Really? I didn't see you drinking water.
Dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it.
Guys, my mobile has also been spoiled, so I've been using this flip phone. It reminds me of my childhood, and all I can do is call in and out. So it's been a good experience, as in like being away from all the social media and stuff like that. So it's really cute. Oh my god, it reminds me of my young days. Long time. Towards finding a dinner spot. So this restaurant is really nice, but I'm not sure if it's open. I hope it is. Oh, yeah, it is open. Yeah. Babe, what is this called?
Lon pu.
Lon pu. So it's some crab curry. So we're gonna walk towards boating now because the view of the boating is really pretty. I want to really show you guys. So this is currently 6 p.m. It is so quiet and so peaceful. I think everyone's heading back home now. I think this is the only boat that's left. We chose a good day to come. Today's Friday. If we came like tomorrow or a day after, I mean on the weekend, it would have been packed. So let me show you around. That's the coffee shop that we were just in a while ago. So the view is excellent and the weather is really good. And Nadia wants to head back, so we are just going to pedal back now, right Nadia? Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be the last activity really, because it's getting really dark now. I mean, through the camera you can see that it's still a lot of light, but in truth it's becoming really dark. Nadia really wants to sit on the swing, so we're gonna go find the swing that we always sit on. Let's go.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love. Just
so guys, it's really becoming dark now and we're just going to leave back to home. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna end it here, but I'm gonna come up with a lot more of a day in life vlogs. Goodbye for now. So guys, we're literally like the last car. We are the last people here.
I'll be deep under